In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your VPropTrader account step by step. First, ensure that your VPropTrader account is fully verified, as withdrawals are usually only allowed on verified accounts. Second, check whether there's a minimum withdrawal amount, since most platforms have limits in place. Third, be aware of any potential fees that may apply. And finally, remember that processing times can vary depending on the withdrawal method you choose. You can usually find all this information in the app's help section or frequently asked questions. Once you've got that covered, the first step is to log into your VPropTrader mobile app using your credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the Withdrawals section. This is often found under menus like Wallet, Funds, or Account, and you'll want to tap on the option labeled Withdraw or Transfer Out. From here, you'll see the available withdrawal methods. Common options include direct bank transfers, which send money straight to your bank account, or e-wallets such as Skrill, Neteller, or other regional payment services. For this walkthrough, let's assume we're going with a bank transfer. After choosing your method, you'll be asked to enter the necessary details. For a bank transfer, this usually means providing your bank name, account number, SWIFT or BIC code, and your full name as the account holder. It's very important that the bank account is in your own name, as third-party withdrawals are generally not allowed. For e-wallets, you'll simply enter your e-wallet account ID or email. Next, input the amount you'd like to withdraw, making sure it's within the limits set by the platform. Before submitting, the app will display a summary of your withdrawal request. Take this opportunity to carefully review everything: the method you selected, the amount you entered, and the recipient information. If everything looks good, tap on Confirm or Submit. Depending on your account settings, you might also need to enter a PIN or a one-time password for added security. Once your request is submitted, your withdrawal will move into the processing stage. You can track its progress in the transaction history or withdrawal history section of the app, and you may also receive email notifications with status updates. Keep in mind that while e-wallet transfers can be fairly quick, bank transfers may take a few business days to complete. So patience is key. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.